What sound does a lion make? Roar, roar, roar. What sound does a bee make? Buzz, buzz, buzz. What sound does a dog make? Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. What sound does a frog make? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What sound does a horse make? What sound does a monkey make? Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. What sound does a sheep make? Ba, ba, ba. What sound does a snake make? Hiss, hiss, hiss. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo, moo. What sound does an owl make? Hoo, hoo, hoo. What sound does a pig make? Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. What sound does a whale make? What sound does a chicken make? Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. What sound does a wolf make? Howl, howl, howl. What sound does a cat make? Meow, meow, meow. What sound does a bird make? Tweet, tweet, tweet. These are the sounds that the animals make. Animals make, animals make. These are the sounds that the animals make on the farm and in the wild. Now, make the sound of your favorite animal. 3, 2, 1, go!